I got a free 1995 Honda CB1000 and I turned it into this. But hold up, this didn't just happen overnight. Over 2 years ago, my uncle-in-law asked if I wanted his motorcycle. It had been sitting in a garage for about 25 years, but of course, I said yes. Who's gonna say no to a free motorcycle? It was free, but man did it need a lot of work. I went through all the basic things just because I wanted to hear this bike run before I fully tore it down. Okay, now we know it rides and runs. Now we need to fully tear it down to make this bike safe and reliable. I went through literally everything on this bike. Every bolt, every line, every seal. I just want to make sure this bike is fully restored, fully safe to ride, but also of course looks cool. That's really where the first 3 episodes come in. We spent most of our time just restoring this bike and making sure it's good to go before I do an extended first ride, which you're about to see right now. That is what we accomplished in last episode. Man, did it feel good to take the bike out on an actual ride, but we still have so much work ahead of us in this episode. We're going to be doing the final assembly, all the aesthetics, and completing the vision that I've had for this restomod, so stay tuned. Cheers! If you like what you see so far, make sure you're subscribed. It helps me in the channel. Appreciate you. Cheers. Okay, 2 things here. I didn't end up filming all the painting because it was just such a pain in the butt to get that done. It was so much work. Secondly, you can see all the orange peel there. There's not a clear coat on yet, and I still have to sand and buff it, so ignore it. I promise you, when I fully do the clear coat and the buffing, it will look much better. And you know what? If you're still gonna hate on it, whatever, bro. Build your own bike.
Rolling like a VIP, you rock the talent hall. scratching it into the fuck out of it. God fucking damn it. Fuck, man. That's crazy, dude. They really want you to take a fucking fork off to install the front fender. Are you fucking serious? I read the manual and saw you have to take one of the front forks off to be able to get the fender on, so I think that's really stupid they have to do that, but learn from my mistakes, read your manual. This is freaking ridiculous.
I'm a little embarrassed by that crash out, but I decided to keep it in because I just wanted to show you guys that things are not always going smoothly in the garage. I edit so much stuff out. So if you're struggling in your garage on your project, dude, you are not alone. Just sometimes you gotta take a step back and go read your manual or just like go take a breather. But you know, we fixed it. We did some touch up paint, and then eventually I'll get the clear coat on it again and buff it, and you won't even know it happened.